Music is all about having fun. It's not about to do runs. It's about how to combine all of these things and create your own phrases. It's everything about the ornamentation. This is important. But you start from the 7th. Once you got it, you do phrases with that. From this is another type, O, and your right hand is free for do whatever you want. Once I discovered all of these things, it was horrible. My left hand was like, no, this is bad. You are watching me now, you feel the same way. But it was every day working hard for it. Hard work pays off. It's like having an orchestra in your hands. In this course, you're going to learn hands independence, all about improv, and the most important thing, it's not about play fast, it's about play accurately and as clean as possible. You need to make dance the rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2. No, don't do that. You need to fill in the 4. Oh, teach me that lick. No, it's not about that. It's about combinations, about create melodies in that moment. I think modern jazz is more about, it's like more freedom. Hi, this is Jesus Molina and I love to play piano.